Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we had learned about asynchronous thunks, or how we can create action creator asynchronously with Redux. Now it's time to move on and try to implement our cakeshop example with React Redux. So in this tutorial and the following 2 or 3 maximum tutorials, we will be implementing our cakeshop example with React Redux step by step. I'll split each concept into parts to let you guys understand in details about that. In today's tutorial, we'll set up our project with necessary UI components. Before moving to that, let's recall the example what we have to implement with our React Redux. So let's say we have a React application. There must be a separate Redux store in which all our states will be stored, and our React app will be subscribed to that store. We are not allowed to change any kind of state from this Redux store. Instead, what we have to do is we have to pass or dispatch an action with the help of an action creator, and that action will be received inside a reducer, and with the help of reducer we are able to update the state. So once the state is updated, as our app is or React app is subscribed to our Redux store, the updated store will automatically pass to our React application. So let's move forward and try to set up this React project with necessary UI components. In the following videos, we will be implementing all the necessary steps to achieve our cakeshop React application with Redux and React Redux. So let me go back to my Visual Code. I had created a Redux demo React project already. It's up and live. Why I have done that is to save our time, as it's consumed some time to install the basic libraries of Redux. But for you guys, I will let you know how you can create that. Is sudo npx -create -app and then followed by application name, whatever the name will be. In my case, it's Redux demo. You can keep any name, whatever you want. As soon as you will hit the enter, it will create a React project for you. After that, sudo npm start or npm start will allow you to update or to start the project. So let's make it a little bit down our terminal. So what we have to do here is, first of all, let's do one thing first. Let's start installing the necessary libraries that we need. So we will be needing sudo npm I redux and react-redux. These two libraries we will be needing in our cakeshop application to handle it with Redux. So let me install these two libraries. As you guys see that we had installed our libraries. In our package.json file, you can see that Redux 5.0.1 version is installed and React Redux 9.1.2 version is installed. So let me close and try to remove some code from our application. I'll keep the header and rest code I will remove as it like this. So for that one, as I had created our application with sudo, so I have to give this application access. So in your case, it will not be like this. So if you are receiving this kind of issue, just follow this step, what I am doing to move forward to give an access to your application or to allow changes locally to your application. Once this has been done, you are able to update your application like this. You guys can see now I can save the application. So let's go into the source folder and try to create a new folder called components. And inside that components, we will be creating a new file called cake container, we can say. That will create container.jsx. Okay. Cake container.jsx. So RFC React functional component, I will be keeping h1 tag that will show me number of available cakes equals to, for example, let's say 10. And similarly, I will be creating a button that will say buy cake. So this button will give me functionality to buy a cake. Let's import this into our app.js cake container like this. Let's hit save and sudo npm start. Let's make it up and running, and let's see how it will be. Number of available cake is 10 appearing in the center of the middle screen, and buy cake is the button that we will be going to implement our functionality on top of it. So that's it for today's tutorial. In the coming tutorials, we will be learning how to set up the Redux, then action creators and reducers. I hope you guys understand it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. In case of any question, any query, you can comment us, or you can reach us to our mailbox as well. Until then, see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.